Hey, I'm Steve, and these are the RIVBOS Polarized Sport Sunglasses. I have unboxed them, and here is everything you get. I especially like the case. It's heavy duty. You're not going to get your glasses crushed in this. I really like these polarized lenses. I'm outside a lot. I do a lot of fishing. I live near the coast. These polarized lenses are excellent. RIVBOS has managed to make very stylish sunglasses along with affordability and function. Let me give you more close-ups of these sunglasses. The lenses, along with being polarized, are going to give your eyes UV protection. These sunglasses are lightweight, they're comfortable. I didn't have any hot spots wearing them. And I'd kind of define hot spots as any part of the sunglass that may irritate a part of my head or face, and I didn't find that to be. They're very comfortable. They are very lightweight. I weighed them. They weigh 0.9 ounces. They don't even weigh an ounce. I like the little rubberized nose bridge. It means they stay put on my nose. They don't slide. For me, polarized sunglasses are a must. They look good, they feel good, they're lightweight, and they're polarized. It's everything I need in a pair of sport sunglasses. Today I was out on the beach in really bright sunny conditions, and I just dropped the sunglass lenses over my camera lens, and you can see the huge difference. I really like these RIVBOS sunglasses. I think you will too. So if you're watching this video, I hope you found it helpful.